I have a challenge for you. It's simple, but it might just change your life. What if I told you you could actually make the first steps into changing your life right now? Here is the deal for you. I challenge you to commit to YouTube for the next 3 months. That's the challenge. 3 months of creating, editing, publishing, producing. The next 3 months. It doesn't really matter if it's your first time, if you're just a beginner, or you have already done this a few times. I challenge you to consistently commit to YouTube for the next 3 months. You'll gain more than just a YouTube channel from this. You'll actually begin your proper journey as a creator. Well, why YouTube? Recently, I have seen a lot of small creators popping up on YouTube, and actually, in YouTube's algorithm, it promotes new and up and coming creators. So, this is the perfect opportunity for you to start. When I started making YouTube, I started like 1.5 years ago, but I wasn't consistent. I started being consistent a few months ago, and it has opened a lot of doors for me. It's given me a lot of opportunities. It's made me think of what I actually want to do when I graduate this summer. Being consistent was the key for me here. Uploading at least weekly has actually done so much for me already. And the best part is that you actually grow while you create. Either it being your personal career or personal growth. You will grow in the next 3 months if you commit to this challenge. So, what will you gain? You'll gain confidence. You'll actually gain discipline from being consistent. You'll practice your creativity. You'll work on your creative side. It's your personal creative outlet where you can post what you want and do what you want. It's your personal brand, and you're the one in charge of it. But the key here is consistency. I want to see you comment down below of what do you want to get from the next 3 months, and then come back to this video after the next 3 months and see what has happened. Did you accomplish your goals? Did you actually do even way more, or did you forget and lose in the challenge? I want to see you comment down below and then come back in 3 months and see what has happened. I want you to pick up the camera, start recording your screen, or whatever it is. I want you to start actually committing to YouTube and actually making those videos. There's always that small thought in the back of your head of, I would love to make these kinds of videos, or I would love to make these kinds of videos. But just commit, just stay committed to it for the next 3 months and see what happens for you. Consistency is the biggest key here. Be consistent. I know you have the time. We all have the time. It's not about that. It's about making the right adjustments in your calendar to get the time for other things. You might have to stop doing something else to get this done, and that's fine. If you want my ideas or tips or anything, just let me know. I'll do my best. And now I'll hope to see you in the comment section after 3 months. Take care and start creating.